Welcome to your EBPP training videos. Key entering cardholder data into a computer without an encryption method introduces vulnerabilities to key logging malware. Our electronic bill presentment and payment application eliminates your staff's need to enter sensitive data, reducing the chances of exposure and fraud. EBPP allows you to push final invoices to consumers and their mobile devices via text and email so that they can complete the transaction whenever and wherever. Launch the URL from any browser that supports HTML5. See our contact information for support via phone or email. To get started, you'll log in using credentials previously created in the virtual terminal. If you haven't already logged into any other SendPAS application, such as the virtual terminal or simple cashiering, then your first login to EBPP will result in a prompt to change your password. It must have at least 8 characters, a capital letter, a number, and a special character. The same prompt will show every 30 days as they expire. User IDs log out after 4 failed attempts. Use the link to reset via email or the cell phone number saved on file for your user. Once you have logged into EBPP, you'll see the navigation menu has 3 main panels: Administrator, Invoices, and Reports. Let's start by creating a new customer. Select Add and fill out the basic information to have on file. Throughout the platform, there are required fields that show outlined in red, which will fade once the requirements are met, allowing you to then complete your form submission. You have the option to enter an alternate email address so that it is CC'd on any invoices sent to this customer. Here, you may configure the way your customer receives their invoices. The fax notification your customer will receive includes the link they'll need to launch in order to pay the invoice online. Once you have finished, select Save. You can always come back to View Customer. Use any of the search fields at the top of each column to find the customer in question, name, email, mobile, or status, and review that user's info. Select the user, then Edit. If you make any changes, make sure to save. You may also select a user and delete. If you're a SendPAS Pay participating vendor, you may manage your customer's password for entering sendpaspay.com should they ask you for help. You may also send your customer an invoice right from this screen just by selecting the customer, then Add Invoice. You can always send the same invoice to multiple customers by using the bar at the top to search for as many customers as you'd like. In this case, EBPP will generate separate invoice numbers for each customer selected. Review and adjust invoice details and select the Send Invoice button. To learn about the rest of the features within your navigation panels, please watch the rest of your EBPP tutorials. SendPAS, Technology-Driven Commerce.